using VIEWRES and PEDIT command to smoothen the circle and polylines. See, I have samples here for you with uneven edge or lines. Sometimes we want these circles to be smooth. So let's delve into these sample and find out the power of the command VIEWRES and PEDIT. Type VIEWRES and enter. Do you want fast zoom? Click Y and enter. See, the maximum number is 20,000. So type 20,000. The higher the number, the smoother the edge of the circle and arc is. Pwede mo din gamitin ang options command. Select display, under display resolution type 20,000, and click OK after. Now let's use PEDIT command. This will turn the edge from straight line to smooth arcaded or circular lines. Type PEDIT, select an object and click fill. Do the same to the following polylines and circle. It's magic, di ba bilog na siya, wala nang kanto-kanto? Ibuhun tagilayon sa mga masunod. Yun, oh, another magic. Yun, nakuha mo? Oragon ka?
Now it's done.